the service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Jefferson County until
Oh my
6 p.m.
God.
Central Daylight Time.
It's for my county.
It's 5:22 p.m.
How did-
Central Daylight
how did you
Time.
not go
A
off?
severe thunderstorm was located over Mountain Brook and is nearly stationary.
Oh my God.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
I was not expecting that.
Impacted include Birmingham, Vestavia Hills, Homewood, Mountain Brook, Irondale, Cahaba Heights, Kingston, 5 Points South, The Summit, University of Alabama at Birmingham campus, Samford University, Lake Purdy, Brook Highland, Ruffner Mountain, Birmingham Zoo, Liberty Park, Vulcan Park, and Highland Park Golf Course. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jefferson, Alabama.
Oh my God.
The current time is 5:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Just after I was literally done recording my unboxing video of this rare Cobra CWR 200, now I hear this, and I hear thunder outside, and I can't believe I got this SVR. And unfortunately, this thing did not go off, probably because I had the volume all the way down for that. But wow, unbelievable. Did not expect that. And unfortunately, this thing did not go off. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I had it on multiple. Just when I was trying to figure out the code so I could put it in my radio. Oh, whatever. Well, there you have it.